My name is Samuel Masia. We are here in Lephalale, Matsabu Production Studios, to record Sipho Nkosi YouTube video. I think now we're just giving you what we were doing before we can shoot, and then after that, if you enjoy it, check out the video. It's a gospel medley. We did 3 songs, yes. So, and then we're just gonna give you more after this video. There's gonna be coming videos where you're gonna see how did we set up. So enjoy and tell us what you think, and then again check out Sipho Nkosi's music on all social media platforms, YouTube, Google Play, everywhere. Asengwana Womuntu, Sipho Nkosi. Yes, there's a lot of songs that he recorded, CDs, everything. Check his work. He's a very great man of God, I'm telling you. So enjoy. Hola. Or better video today, Brazil. Yeah. So which songs are you gonna sing, Brad?
The most famous one, Asengwana Womuntu.
Yes.
And I'm still preparing another one. Shona song. Hapana Imutariro, Ali Killing Temba. Then we do the very known one also in Bella Nkosi.
Hallelujah.
Those are my songs.
So we're gonna do them today.
We're gonna do them today.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the setup for Sipho Nkosi video.
Indlela